The model is known by her username Acro polis 1989. She hails from Germany. The Instagram model has figured out how to make a noticeable presence on the web with her online media accounts. As per her different online media profile, the model is a blogger too. Allow us to get familiar with Acro polis 1989 and investigate her genuine name and age. On the off chance that you are searching for Acro polis 1989 Instagram model's genuine name, well, you are not alone. Nonetheless, Acro polis has never referenced her genuine name on the web or to the overall population yet. The model passes by her username at the rate of Acro polis 1989 on a large portion of her web-based media and has made a conspicuous presence with her username. Acro polis implies a bastions or breast piece of an old Greek city, commonly one based on a slope. The strict interpretations of the word Acro polis in Greek is upper city. In any case, the model is popular for her web-based media name Acro polis 1989 and individuals know her very well by her web-based media name. Acro polis 1989 has not uncovered her genuine name age yet. Nonetheless, based on her username Acro polis 1989, we can figure out that she was likely born around the year 1989. In the event that is valid, the Acro polis's real age is 34 years of age starting at 2023.